How to add a shortcuts widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, find a blank spot and then touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button. Then from the pop-up, tap on add widget. In the widget list, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on shortcuts. Now in shortcuts, swipe across to select different type of shortcuts. Here we've got a standard shortcut. This will allow you to quickly run one of your shortcuts. Otherwise, we can choose shortcuts folder, and this will quickly run your shortcuts. So in here you can choose a small size, medium size, or a large size widget. So let's go back and simply choose a shortcut widget. So tap on that and then tap on add widget. This will add the widget to the home screen. Then tap on the widget to make changes. In here, tap on the shortcut drop down, and from here you can choose your preferred shortcut. So here, if I choose, I can open up music, notes, or Spotify. I can also open up my custom shortcuts that I have created previously. And here I can choose to open up, say, Shazam. So Shazam shortcut, so I can tap on that, then tap outside the box to save the changes, then tap on done. Now when I want to quickly open up Shazam, I can just tap on this widget and Shazam is ready to go. It will try to detect any songs. If it knows the songs, it will give you the name of the song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.